Hello everyone. Today I got a package that I didn't even know it was something I wanted. I really enjoy my Road King with that classic look, but I've heard a lot of good things about this item. So I thought when TCMT reached out to me and said, do I want to give it a try? I said, why not? I've heard a lot of good things. Let's see how it looks. Here's the package. You can see that it's very well packaged, delivered right to the front door with no problem. So now we're gonna open it up and see how it survived the shipping. They shipped me, here it is. You can probably tell by the thumbnail what they are, but they're very well wrapped all the way around. The parts are taped to the side, so this should be, it should arrive safely at your house. So let's take these out. It's like Christmas morning. They send you a nice case for it. All right, everyone, here it is. Drum roll. The Road King is black, vivid black. It looks like it's gonna match pretty good. So as they go on the lowers, on the inside, they have a little handle here. So if you need some air, right here, this opens up. It's a little hard to move, but it's probably a good thing. If not, while you're riding, this thing will probably, the wind will probably open it up. So having this all the way closed is great. Another plus, you have a storage spot. There's a couple holes here, right here, that are in the storage spot. So you may want to cover those up. I didn't see anything like grommets. We'll see as we go through it. And the crash bars are going to go through here. So now let's figure out how to put this on.
Plug one of that screw.
Okay.
That screw holds this cover here.
Thanks for your help. I don't think I could have done this on myself, to be honest. Now that I see everything involved.
Well, because no instructions in there.
And I think it's easier with two people.
Oh yeah. But this one,
That one goes to this one.
you should keep this together here so we don't lose it. No, what I would do,
That's the left.
drag it in, then you can supervise it. You need a 10mm wrench, and you have three brackets, three tie downs, one bracket at the bottom.
From your opinion, this fits pretty good on the brackets on the bottom?
Be sure that the flat side of the loop is up.
So this being the flat side,
Okay.
and this being the curb.
Okay.
And this is the insulated part to prevent it from scratching this. What do you think of the quality of the hardware?
It's good. They should at least put a minimum of
Instructions?
instructions. Even though you're a rider, not all the riders have mechanical skills. Many of them are lawyers or doctors.
Yeah.
The talents are in other areas, not in this, right?
Because of these little things here, you don't have to put Loctite. This one, and then the washer goes.
But she goes over here because you see the big overhang. I'm going to show you something about the nut. The nut, you don't need the ridges, but you have this. This is what locks it up, like a bushing, like a rubber to prevent it from turning loose. This is going to go like this.
Just want to hold on for a second here. Before we put this cover back onto the hard lower, you will need to line up this fin, it looks like a fin, onto the part that covers your hard lower and line it up to the hard lower. Hope this helps because it took us a while to figure this out and took us a little longer than it should have. So I hope this helps you out in the future. There he is.
Wow.
So what do you think?
It looks freaking perfect.
Oh yeah?
You fit your bike perfect, man. Wow. It's like they came with the bike.
Yeah, my initial thoughts just riding over here, because it's my first ride with it,
Yeah.
I could feel the difference.
Did you?
Like, it's a nice cool day, it's not really cold,
Yeah.
but my feet were not.
You feel all that wind hitting you down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So I was just, is this liquid cooled too?
Oh, that's air cooled. I mean, oil cooled and air cooled.
Okay, so like this one.
Uh-huh.
I guess I'm just wondering, like, what's it like when the vents are closed and riding for a while?
Because I've got my...
Here we go. My GoPro's probably gonna die in this rain. I'm lucky that it even turned on with the lowers in the rain. Well, looks like the rain ruined the audio with my GoPro. Well, I want to share that the first thing I noticed riding in the rain, that my legs are warmer since the vents are closed. That may seem pretty obvious, but this is new to me, and so far, I like it. My feet are not getting as wet. Of course, when I stop and put my foot down, it'll get wet, and I did notice that the tips of my feet would get wet because of the way I kind of just stick my foot out a little bit. Miguel made a good point that these hard lowers may keep a lot of the dirt and grime off the Road King, so we'll see how that does. Definitely keep an eye on that, since it seems like I'm always getting caught in the rain now. Now the install, I think the install was fairly easy, and I really appreciate my dad jumping in and helping me out with that, and he pretty much took the lead. It would have been a lot easier if we had instructions. Hopefully the video helps you out if you decided to purchase these lowers. The one good thing is there's really no need to go buy any additional hardware, as what they provide is a good fit. It all is good, the washers, the nuts, everything's on there. And the color, the vivid black, is perfect and it matches the Road King. Earlier in the video, I did call out about some holes in the storage area. Still not sure why they're there. The only thing I can think of is if water gets in, that it can drain out. Although when I checked the storage area, I did not see any water in there when I got back. I just have a question for all you with hard lowers. Have you ever noticed that the engine runs hotter, even with the vents open? That's something that I'm pretty curious about. I'm sure I'll find out, but I just want to know what you guys all think or have found out. You will find a link to the TCMT hard lowers below, and they've even provided a discount code. I'll give you an update the longer they're on, and I'm planning just to leave them on at this point. Thanks everyone, y'all take care and stay safe. If you like this video, check out another one right here.